Today we're looking at the 2020 Hyundai Venue, an all-new SUV from Hyundai. So this Venue was built with an ideal blend of safety, utility, and because of its compact size, nimble performance, which is great for navigating those busy city streets and crowded parking lots. This here is the Denim Edition, which is going to give you some unique styling features throughout the interior and the exterior of the vehicle. Here we have our cascading front grille with bold mesh design. We have our cube-shaped headlights with LEDs on the low beams, as well as LED daytime running lights. The Venue has 17-inch alloy wheels, a unique denim trim with contrasting white accents on the wheel, the side view mirror, and the roof, which gives it a stunning two-tone effect. And then rounding out the rear of the Venue, we have these gorgeous, bold design LED taillights. Now let's talk a little bit about performance. The Venue comes with a 1.6-liter engine that's going to give you 121 horsepower and 113 pound-feet of torque. And if that wasn't enough, you're also going to have 3 different drive modes: a normal mode, a sport mode, and a snow mode. So whether you live in the mountains or you're just taking a weekend vacation, if you're in snowy weather, you know that the Venue has you covered in inclement weather and driving conditions. So speaking of safety, the Venue comes standard with several advanced safety features, including Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist with Pedestrian Detection, Driver Attention Warning, Lane Keeping Assist, rear view camera with dynamic guidelines, and many other safety features available, such as rear cross traffic collision warning and blind spot collision warning as well. So this is an SUV, so let's check out that cargo area. In the back, you have up to 31.9 cubic feet of space with 60-40 split seats. So perfect, lots of volume for your groceries, your luggage, your pets, whatever you'd like to put back there. And then under the cargo floor, we do have a spare tire with extra storage space. So lots of cargo area, really stylish exterior design, but that's not all, because the Venue also has some great tech features on the interior of the vehicle. Now let's first check out these stunning denim-inspired leatherette seats. And these seats are also heated for both the driver and the passenger, 3 different levels. We have our leather-wrapped shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 3.5-inch digital instrument display. We have our 8-inch color touchscreen display with navigation on the Venue, which is going to show you your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, both of which are standard on the Venue. Below that, you'll see your automatic temperature control and then your dual USB ports. So tons of technology on this vehicle, but not only that, when you purchase or lease the Venue, you'll get 3 years complimentary subscription to BlueLink, which will give you so many amazing features you can use directly from your favorite device or smartphone, one of them being remote starting your vehicle, as well as climate control. So when it's hot or cold outside, no matter the temperature, when you get in your Venue, it will be the perfect temperature for you. And since this is a Hyundai, you know that you're getting a very durable, high-quality vehicle. The Venue is backed by America's best warranty of 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, 5-year, 60,000-mile limited new vehicle warranty. So when you're running about town, tackling items on your to-do list, you know that the 2020 Venue is going to give you the agility, the safety, and the tech to get everything done with confidence and style.